Elon Musk is raising eyebrows again, and this time it's for claiming Tesla's full self-driving system's getting almost comfortable with drivers texting behind the wheel. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. The Tesla boss hinted that unsupervised FSD could be ready in a month or two, letting drivers take their hands off the wheel while the car does all the hard work. Yeah, it sounds revolutionary, but it's not that simple. Tesla's still technically at SAE Level 2 autonomy, which legally requires drivers to keep their hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Level 3, which allows hands-off driving in limited situations, has only been offered by Mercedes-Benz and BMW under strict conditions, like low-speed traffic jams on defined motorways, and even then drivers are only allowed to use infotainment systems and not their phones. Even if Tesla's tech can handle more, Musk faces a major roadblock called the law. Texting and driving is illegal in nearly every country, including the US, which means Tesla would need huge regulatory jump to make unsupervised FSD legal. And there's no news that regulators are on board yet. But despite the hurdles, Musk is pushing the hype. He claims the upcoming FSD will let drivers fall asleep and wake up at your destination. All this combined with his $1 trillion compensation package tied to 20 million vehicles, 1 million robo-taxis, and AI-powered robots suggests Musk will say almost anything to keep shareholders excited. Elon Musk's vision is really blurring the line between sci-fi and reality. Whether the world is ready or legal remains another story. How soon Elon's dream can become a reality? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.